This is on the city's south side. Like, follow, share, subscribe for
How you
more Des
doing?
Moines news. You can see the neighbor coming over.
No.
The
I'm
neighbors chopped down the tree
just
with
doing
a
a news
chainsaw
story.
and it landed on their power line.
I did the news. That's crazy. I used to cut trees down though. I'm sure he didn't try to do it. I hope not, right?
No, he was doing it and kept doing it and kept doing it.
Oh, more of it was coming down.
Yeah, like, that lady's nice now.
Oh wait, was it?
All right, you can see DMPD coming over after talking to the neighbors.
I'm a good hit by his kid. I'm a good. I'll follow him. Is that your car? It's the landlord's car.
Girl, I thought you was talking shit about these old people.
No, I was talking shit to them.
Oh.
Yeah, so apparently the tree down along the line. I heard it snap. That's why I jumped out the car and was like, hey, he's like, yeah, I think I do. He just kept making it worse. I'm like, stop. Nobody else said nothing. They just want to sit there and watch it do it. How about just don't do that? Well, Teddy works here all the time. Like, he's supposed to wear cars or, like, just like nothing like this. I don't think he was supposed to do that. I don't want any. The alley, you know what I'm saying? The alley part right here. The problem is that the tree branches like down here and there's a box truck or whatever. Yeah, I can see that feather there. Watch it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not getting up there. I'm not touching the face off.
No, you was about 20 feet away from getting paid.
I'm gonna lay under there. Shit. Well, as of now, we just wait. I don't know what the hell's going on. This is so crazy. I don't know why. I just pulled up. It was like,
well, at least
traffic, we couldn't come through here and shit. And then,
at least you didn't get hurt, man. At least it could have been a whole lot worse than the power line.
I'm saying, but I could have probably gotten blamed. Right. I definitely would have to have insurance pay for that shit or something. I don't know. Hopefully he has a business, but he has a lot of problems. But I don't know if that pole was like that or something. That's kind of freaking me out, though. I heard Transformer blow before. Oh, like that? I never seen it like that. I don't think it was like that. Could be bending a little bit from the tension. I'm surprised those are holding on. I was cooking. I started cooking. You know, like, so won't be able to cook.
Some cool cops, man, to be honest, you know. Ain't no reason to lie. It's good cops and bad cops. I'm happy that Des Moines is full of good cops.
There we go. People really have no clue what the fuck y'all do all day, man. Like, y'all do a little bit of everything. This is crazy.
on stuff. You get stuff that's civil and stuff
Yeah.
nothing on. Some stuff you get to just sit and look at.
Dude, I've seen y'all do some shit that I'm just like, man, I would have never even thought.
Hope you
that
enjoyed the
cops do
video.
that.
Like, follow, share, Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe for more.